Hi, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. Today was a gorgeous day, Saturday afternoon in Florida, and my hubby and I decided to go to the Winter Park Art Festival. We didn't have one last year because of COVID, and it was really great to see people out and about and getting kind of back to normal again. The artists were wonderful, and of course we had to visit some of our favorite shops, which one of them is the Ancient Olive Gourmet, where they have different types of olive oils and balsamic vinegar, and then also the Spice and Tea Exchange, which is really a cool shop. It has all kinds of spices and salts and sugars, and I can just go crazy there. Here we are heading out to the art festival. It's sunny out, so we've decided to wear our fancy hats. We're going to take you to some of our favorite spots to shop at. It was so good to run into our friends Jeff and Heidi Thamert at the art festival as they displayed their art. So I'm going to share with you a little bit of what we picked up when we were there at the Winter Park Art Festival and in Winter Park area, where they have some wonderful shops and restaurants. I got lots of wonderful goodies at these shops, and I'm looking forward to making some wonderful meals using these spices and flavorings. And so let's see, going to the Ancient Olive Gourmet, they have different types of hot sauces, and this is a local brand, Fat Cat, and so this one's called Chairman Meow's Revenge. I thought that was pretty funny, using scorpion peppers. So I don't know. Hubby says he wants this, and so he can have it. I think it's going to be a little bit too hot for me. I like to make my own salad dressings, and so I wanted to pick up a couple of bottles of balsamic vinegar and olive oil. So I got this one pomegranate balsamic vinegar. It is so yummy. This is also excellent on fresh fruit. If you just drizzle some of this pomegranate balsamic vinegar on fresh fruit, or this one, the Black Mission Fig, they're just wonderful. They're also great in salads, and that's what I'm going to use them mostly for. And I could use them on some cooking too. To pair with them, I got the blood orange olive oil, And I also got the Persian lime olive oil, very citrusy, and I think the flavors of the balsamic and the olive oil together just really pop and bring out a freshness, and they'll be wonderful on some salads and some on the meats too, but mostly I'll be using them on salads and raw vegetables. Now at the spice shop, oh gosh, we had fun there smelling the different spices, and I did pick up a bottle of Madagascar pure vanilla extract. I needed more of that for my baking. And then this is really interesting. I picked up a bottle of Merlot sea salt. So it's Merlot wine infused into the sea salt granules, and that'll be a nice flavor to put on your dishes. Now, let's see, what other sea salts did I get? I guess I got this one, the Chardonnay Oak Smoked Sea Salt. It's a very fine French salt, and it was smoked from oak wine barrels for a distinctive taste, and they recommend using this on seafood. So I also, on the way home, stopped at the seafood market and picked up some fresh shrimp and some fish, and they had red snapper, so I'm going to try this tonight on my red snapper for dinner. The other, let's see, did we get any other sea salts? I think that was the only one, those two, the Merlot and the Chardonnay Oak Smoked. Then the other spices we got, they have this wonderful espresso steak rub spice blend, and this is awesome on a nice ribeye or a filet. You just kind of rub a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need a whole lot, but it's just wonderful. It has a deep rich flavor without the strong coffee taste, but you just get a hint of it, and it's just awesome. And you put this on your meat. This looked pretty interesting. It's a Bloody Mary spice blend, and we also picked up a bottle of Bloody Mary mix, so we're gonna probably have some Bloody Marys really soon, and so we looked forward to that. The other one I picked up was the Northwest Salmon Rub Spice Blend, and this is good on salmon and probably any kind of fish. It's influenced with some Asian style flavors, and so I'm looking forward to, let's see, it's got turbinado sugar, smoked sea salt, black pepper, coriander, orange zest, celery seed, cumin, fennel, dill, and star anise. So that sounds wonderful. They all sound wonderful. Then we have the Tuscany Spice Blend. It's an Italian seasoning, and so this is always nice with the garlic and tomato powder, lime frosted sea salt, interesting, onion, salt, black pepper, olive oil, rosemary, basil, green and red peppers, bell peppers, parsley, crushed red pepper flakes, and amarilla pepper, coriander, cumin, oregano, and thyme. So all kinds of nice flavors in this Tuscany spice blend. Then we went with a little bit of India. So I got some garam masala spice blend. It's a curry blend common to northern India. And then I also got the tandoori roasting spice blend. So if you've ever had tandoori chicken, oh, this is just awesome to use. And then I got some paprika, which I got the smoked sweet paprika, which I thought was pretty cool. So it says, in addition to its food uses, paprika has even been mixed in with the feeds at zoos and fed to flamingos to help them maintain their bright pink hue. Wonder what it does to people. Okay. And then the gumbo filet powder. So I thought this was good. I bought some fresh okra the other day at the farmer's market yesterday, and with the shrimp and everything, I thought I'd make a nice gumbo sometime in the near future also. So these are my wonderful finds at the olive oil and vinegar store and the spice store, and I look forward to sharing how I plan to use these in upcoming videos and some nice, healthy, and very tasty recipes. So I hope you check me out. And thank you for watching and going along with me today to Winter Park and checking out these stores and the art festival. We really had a great time. So until next time, everyone, bye. Oh, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and click on that little bell so you get notification of my next videos, because you don't want to miss these that are coming up with using these spices. You'll love it. See you later.